iPhone X back camera not working. Today we will show you how to fix the back camera problem of the iPhone X. So let's get started. First, we will remove the screws located beside the charging port. Then we will use a display opening tool to carefully open the display. Now we will remove the screws from the metal shield that covers the connectors. Then we will disconnect all the connectors one by one. Now we will check using Windows Wuxinji to find out where the actual problem is. Here it's showing an issue with a transistor located next to the camera connector. Now the transistor that is damaged next to the connector needs to be identified using a microscope. For that, we need to lift the top foam cover and then locate the damaged transistor. As you can see here, the transistor is already broken and detached. Now this area needs to be thoroughly cleaned, then apply solder paste and solder it using a soldering iron. Now we will connect the 2 points together using a copper wire. Then we will cut it off from the base using a cutter. And finally, we will clean it thoroughly using thinner. Now we will reconnect all the connectors and attach the display connector. Then we will power it on to test. Yes, now the camera is all right. Thank you.